Police have confirmed a suspected arson attack on the rural home of outspoken former ZANU-PF Mashonaland West provincial chairman Temba Mliswa in Shurugwi, an incident he described as a failed assassination attempt. Sadabina mashoko buda pangwa ine anokonzi mapurisa otaura aiwa pamusoro pekupiswa kwakaitwa imba yaTemba Mliswa vachiti a failed assassination. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna mnamobuda mimba mchinse. Mliswa revealed on Thursday that his homestead was set ablaze by unknown assailants on Wednesday night, linking the attack to his uncompromising calls for accountability in government. In course, I've always known that corruption fights back, and I'm prepared for everything. Last night, they sneaked and my house in Shurugwi, all because I asked for accountability and transparency. Thank God, no one was hurt. Mapisa Nyazonia, he wrote on X, invoking the memory of the 1976 Nyazonia massacre in Mozambique to frame the incident as a politically motivated act of terror. In a brief statement on Friday, the Zimbabwe Public Police confirmed the incident. The ZRP confirms that investigations are currently underway in connection with the malicious damage to property incident at Temba Mliswa's homestead in Shurugwi on the 2nd of October. More details to be released in due course. Mliswa has long been a polarizing figure in Zimbabwean politics as the ZANU-PF Mashonaland West chairman. He frequently clashed with the senior party officials, including then First Lady Grace Mugabe during factional wars that preceded Robert Mugabe's ouster in 2017. He was expelled from the party in 2014 for allegedly undermining the leadership, but reinvented himself as an independent legislator. Despite being ousted from more ZANU-PF structures, Mliswa has remained influential, often inserting himself into factional disputes and acting as a political broker. His blunt criticism of senior officials, coupled with his grassroots networks, has kept him relevant, while also making him a target of powerful rivals. Thomas Kwaruda Pangwa ine arikonokonza aiwa Temba Mliswa is at the center of the chaos in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Bodza mafunguro enyu mutikudipa pamusoro pechitwe chinayo message chemeni mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.